Hello students, today we will start a third chapter of NCERT and Alien Hint, the desert. This lesson, as the name suggests, throws light upon the life of the desert animals and their varied unique ways to adapt to the harsh atmosphere. As per popular belief, desert is an endless stretch of sand, dry, hot, waterless and without shelter, where there is no rain falls and no vegetation grows. But this is not entirely correct. The desert can be a beautiful place. It is the home of a variety of people, animals and plants that have learned to live under very hot and dry conditions. The ground is not always hidden by a cover of grass, plants, and trees as it is in other climates. But whenever it rains, which is rare, desert flowers bloom. A desert is not always a flat, unchanging wasteland of dry sand, but have mountains and hills and oases, big or small. An oasis is like a green island in the middle of a desert, where a spring or a well gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. We are having two types of desert, hot and cold. Hot like Thar and cold like Ladakh. Some deserts are almost totally without water. In such places, strong winds blow, raising heaps of sand and depositing them as mounds. These are called sand dunes that shift and move endlessly across the desert. Few plants can survive on such dry, shifting sands. The few desert plants and animals have developed the ability to require less water than most plants and animals. The camel, popularly known as the sheep of the desert, can drink a lot of water at one time and can do without water for days together, as they sweat very little. It stays high body temperature and don't need to sweat therefore retain the water they drink for long periods of time. We sweat because we must keep our body temperature constant. We sweat when it gets hot and this cools the body. The smaller desert animals do not drink water. They burrow underground during the hot day and come out at night to eat. Some of them eat other animals and get the water they need from the moisture in the meat. Others eat plants and seeds and get the water they need from plant juices. Cactus plants store water in their thick stems. Their roots lie close to the surface of the ground and quickly absorb the moisture from the light rains that occasionally fall. The major feature of all desert is, of course, dryness and variations of temperature in humid climates. The moisture in the air acts like a blanket and protects the earth's surface from the hot rays of the sun. The absence of this blanket in desert lands causes the desert to heat up rapidly during the day and to cool off rapidly at night. So now I am giving you the questions regarding your text. You just have a look and try to find out the answers of the following. Meet you in the next video with the answers of these questions. Till then, bye bye.